Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie and today I have a lip declutter for you guys. I will be decluttering everything lip, so lip gloss, lipstick, lip stain, the whole shebang. If you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright, so these are all of my lip products, stains, glosses, lipsticks, everything. We are going to get started right over here. I did have to film this video again because I didn't like the picture quality, so if you see some staining on my hands, don't mind that. This is the Essence Extreme Care lip gloss in the shade, let's find out, Milky Cocoa. And I do love this one a lot. I got this one trying to dupe my Makeup by Mario gloss, but it's a little bit more cool tone than this one, as you can see here. But I still like it, so I'm going to keep actually both of these. However, when I swatched them earlier, I did notice that this one, where are you? In Ginger, is very similar to the Makeup by Mario one. Very similar. The Makeup by Mario one is a slightly more cool tone, but it is very similar. So if you have this one in Ginger, you basically have this color here by Makeup by Mario in Soft Nude. All right, so I will be keeping these three. All right, we have this one here that I just never reach for. I don't have a sharpener for, so I'm just gonna go ahead and declutter it. It was a nice shade, but I just don't use it anymore. You also have this like lip scrub by Pure that I just don't use anymore. I'm gonna go ahead and get rid of. This I just want to go ahead and use up. It's from Bath and Body Works, I believe. Very, very minty. Do like it a lot. Very shiny, and it does last a good while on the lips, so I'm going to keep that. This is by Floss. What shade is this? LAX. This is really pretty. Let's see. Yeah, nice pinky nude kind of shade. I like that one. I'm going to keep this one. All right, we have like this lip mask here that I haven't used in a while. It's getting kind of chunky. I think I got it in a BoxyCharm. Don't love it, so I'm gonna go ahead and declutter that. We have this lipstick over here by Laga. Yeah, Cloud Lips. It is very comfortable on the lips. I just don't use this shade, so I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this one as well. This one I got over at the Dollar Tree. And I do like the color, but it's a little bit too thick and goopy on the lips, so just don't like that. I'm going to go ahead and, as you can see, it's just a big mess. I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one. All right, let's come over here. This is a Wet n Wild lipstick in the shade. You guys can see that, Skinny Dipping. So I do like that shade. I haven't played around with it too much. It is a little bit more cool tone and mauve. I don't wear too much of that. I usually like this kind of browny neutral tone, but I am going to keep it just to play around with it a little bit more. Over here we have our NARS lipstick in Laguna. It doesn't give you too much color payoff, but it is nice, and I do like that it's a mini. So I'm going to keep this one as well. All right, I think I'm gonna go ahead and declutter these two. I just haven't used them in forever, so goodbye. This is my Ami Collet lip gloss in the shade, I believe it's Bliss. Yes, Bliss. And this is like the most long-lasting gloss ever. It will last you like 2.5 hours on the lips, and for a gloss, that is a lot. Doesn't give you too much color payoff, but I do like it. It is definitely my favorite gloss of them all, so would definitely recommend this one. All right, let's move this stuff over a little bit. We have this Fenty lipstick in the shade Single. Now, I just don't reach for this one that often. It's a little bit too peachy for me. I don't like how it looks on my skin tone, so I'm gonna go ahead and declutter it. All right, we have these two here by ColourPop. They're lip oils. This one is in Playa Vista. Nice nude shade. Doesn't give you too much color payoff and doesn't last too long on the lips. So I don't know. I'm going to keep these two. I do like the formula. They are very moisturizing. So I think I am going to keep these two. This one is in Hot Spark. All right, let's get into some of these liners. I think one of them is actually a eyeliner. I'm gonna just put that one over to the side. Forgot to take that one out. We have this one here by Ace Beauty. Nice nude shade. I think I'm gonna go ahead and keep that. This is in the shade Be Peachy. It's not too peachy though, so I don't know about that. We also have this one. This one's a little bit more peachy. This one's kind of rubbing off the label here. This one is by Appeal, I think. I don't know, but it is that. Oh, actually, it's not peachy. It's pretty pinky. Yeah, this is like more of a pinky shade. I do like that. I'm going to keep this one as well. We have this one here. This is Real Her. I just don't use that shade, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one. I like that shade. That one's a little bit more brown in tone, a little bit more cool tone. This is also by Real Her. Okay, I'll keep this one. This is a little bit more cool tone than this one, so I think I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one. I usually don't like too many cool tone options for lips. We also have this one by Thrive. A little bit more hot pink. I don't really use this color, so I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one. This is my Too Faced one in Puffy Nude. Love that shade. It does look a little bit more cool tone though, huh? All right. But this one paired with this, so pretty. Okay. This one is not sharpened. Haven't used it in forever. I'm just going to go ahead and declutter that one. Have this one here. Yeah, a little bit more of a darker pink. Just don't use this color often, so I'm going to declutter that one as well. And we have this one. Oh, this one's a little bit dry. I'm going to go ahead and declutter this one as well by Steve Laurent. Okay. So we have some lipsticks down here. This one is my Charlotte Tilbury in Pillow Talk. Love this. It just goes with every look. Doesn't matter, cool tone, warm tone. It just kind of goes with anything. So I'm going to keep that. And I did notice earlier that this one is pretty similar to the Charlotte Tilbury. This is the Tarte Maracuja lipstick in Rose. It's just slightly darker than the Charlotte Tilbury, but very similar. So I'm going to keep this one as well. Can you tell that I love the formula here? This next one, I do like the formula, but this color is just not for me. It is in the shade, where are you? Magic Maker. Just don't like the shade on me. Show you guys here. Yeah, it looks like something I would like, but I don't know. It just looks weird on the lips. For me, anyways. You know, I'm gonna go ahead and declutter that. Okay, we have this lipstick slash sunscreen. This is by Kula, I believe. I haven't had it for too long, but I do like it, especially those summer days when you're just out all day. You got your sunscreen and your lipstick. Perfect. Keep that. This is another Makeup by Mario one, but this one is in Baby Coral. There we go. You really do have to blend these on the lips or else they look kind of patchy, but I do like the color, so I'm going to go ahead and keep this one as well. This is the KKW lipstick in 1.5 nude. Just don't reach for this one anymore. They don't sell it, so I'm gonna go ahead and declutter that one. These are my e.l.f. lip stains. I love these so much. This one is in Pinkies Up. I like this color a little bit more than the other one. It's more of a nude pinky shade, and this is more of a brown. This one is called Cinnamon Dreams. I do like it, it's different. These two here. So I'm gonna keep both of these. We have this MAC lipstick in Spirit. Let's see here. It is nice, it's a little bit more cool tone. I just don't reach for it, so I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this one. We have these two here by NYX, these soft matte lip creams. This one is in London. And then we have Abu Dhabi. Both very warm tone. And I like them a lot. So I'm gonna keep these as well. Okay, we have this one here by Essence, What the Fake Extreme Lip Gloss. This one gives you a nice like bubblegum pink tint to the lips, and it does stain the lips. And if you don't like that tingly plumping feeling, then I probably wouldn't recommend this to you, but I do like it a lot, so I'm going to keep it. Okay, we also have this lipstick here by e.l.f. in the shade No Doubt. This one, I don't know, I feel like it looks weird on my skin tone, so I don't reach for it that often. It looks like something I would like, but just something about it just looks off. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this one. Okay, we have these two Maybelline Superstay crayons. This is in the shade Stop at Nothing, 160. I'm gonna keep that one. And then I have this red one here. Just don't use it that often, but I do want to keep a red option in my collection here. Yeah, it's a really pretty red, and it does last a long time on the lips. I do like this formula, so I'm gonna keep that one as well. Okay, coming back down here, I have this liquid lipstick. I just don't use liquid lipsticks that often, or ever really. This is a nice shade, but I'm just not into it anymore. So I'm going to declutter that one, as well as this one by Fenty. This is their Diamond Milk Gloss. I like it, but I just don't reach for it. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this one as well. It's all scratched up, so that one's gonna go. We have this one by ColourPop. This is their lip stain in the shade Cherry Lip. This one is really pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and keep this one as well. Okay, we have this Too Faced lip injection. Just don't use it anymore, and it's super, super old, so goodbye. Have this Urban Decay one in the shade Where Are You, Textum. This one is so pretty. This is one of my favorite formulas. Look at that color, so pretty. It lasts all day on the lips, stays shiny forever. So definitely would recommend this one. This formula is actually very similar to that Urban Decay formula. So if you wanted an alternative, definitely check this one out. This one's really nice. I actually need more shades of this. This is in the shade Majestic Rose. This one is really pretty. Very similar to Textum, as you can see. But I need them both, so I'm going to keep that one as well. I'm not too big of a fan of this one. This one is in Citrine Queen. It's more of an orangey shade. Just don't like how it looks on my skin tone. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this shade. We have this L'Oreal Paris lip gloss. This is also a really good formula. It lasts pretty good on the lips. but I'm not a big fan of this shade. So I'm gonna go ahead and declutter this one. However, I do like this shade here. This is more up my alley, more of a nudie pink kind of shade. This is in, see if I can find it, 300, Be Uncontrollable. And that last one I showed you was in the shade 314. Okay, and I think I'm gonna keep these last three here. This is the Lip Plump Maracuja Juicy Lip. So it does have that little bit of a plumping sensation on the lips. Like this one a lot. It's in the shade Cherry Blossom. And we have Strawberry, just the regular juicy lip. Love this shade, especially what happened to that swatch there. Especially in the summer, this looks so pretty. And then we have this one. Where is the shade? I think the sticker just came off, but it's more of a darker red. I like this one a lot too. So I'm going to keep this one as well. All right, so this is everything I'm keeping, a total of 32 products. And this is everything I'm getting rid of, a total of 23. So not too bad. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you very soon with the next one. Bye guys.